About to head to a workshop. QD has a little gig out here where he teaches students some breaking skills. I'm gonna be assisting in the workshop today. After that, we're gonna head to Taiwan and go session with one of the crews out here. What's up, Gina? Wow. Guys, check this out, yo. 1520. This is dope. They really have at this studio, this stadium, youth center. They got like, look at legendary b-boys, the N twins right there. Legendary battle, Rocksteady. There's Dynamic. B-boy Spy, one of the greatest of all, right there. Man with 1,000 moves. Like, this is so sick. They got Ivan. Ken Swift, Kenny, Remind, and one of the legendary Taiwanese b-boys of the year. This is like really cool. It's like a museum. IBE, freestyle session, Red Bull BC1. This is a dope studio. And there's been a lot of change in the dance from when it was first created up until where it's at now. Along the way, some of the things are getting lost. Because just like when you do moves in breaking, you can do a windmill, or you can do a burn. But the whole point of breaking is to create something new from your mind.
guys? Good practice. Yeah. Good workshop, and all the kids have a lot of potential. The future is bright for Taiwan. And now we're off to go practice. Now it's time for us to train.
How you been, bro? How you been?
Here we go.
Let's go. Let's shout. All shout. Yeah, bro. Oh, Bugger, how you been? How was Europe?
Yeah. Good, man.
Yeah, you guys been good?
Finishing round.
Yeah. You guys represented though. This guy, I'm proud of this guy though. Finally, huh?
Famous guy.
Finally, yeah.
Good sesh. CD4 right here. Thank you for having us at the studio, bro. Appreciate it. It was a good session.
Yeah, good to see you.
And nice seeing you guys again, always.